Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So welcome back to another keto friendly grocery haul. You guys, it is here's Teeter Super Doubles, and you know what that means. Shakima was out here in these Super Double streets getting my deals. Yes, I was. And if you have not gotten your deals, let me encourage you to go ahead on out there and get your deals. If you are a coupon friend, you came through all the way this week because coffee was on sale. I will be doing a coffee fast in the month of June, but since I still have 2 more days until June get here, I needed to get my coffee. And because after June, I want to make sure that I have my coffee on hand. So there were a lot of good things that I was able to get, and I wanted to share with you what they were and to tell you what coupons I used just in case you are planning to go out and get your deals. So I shopped 2 stores today, Harris Teeter for this, and then we went to Aldi and picked up those items. So let me share with you what I was able to get. So I got these Mission Carb Balance Flour Tortillas. These are 4 net grams of carbs. These are the fajita size. So they're much smaller than those other ones. And I actually like these if I fry them or put them in the pan to get crispy. I don't like raw dough, but I like those just fine. So these were $3.18, something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head. Picked up Alana some deodorant, $2.99. Then I picked up these soft soaps. We got wild basil and lime for the kitchen, and then pomegranate and mango for the bathroom. They were $2.49. I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So they ended up being 99 cents a piece. This one is 11.25 ounces and this one is 8 ounces. So I should have probably picked up 2 of the 11 ounces, but I thought this basil and lime would be good for the kitchen. Picked up toilet paper, 2 for $4, so $2 a piece. Then I used a coupon. This Poise, these microliners were $4.99. I had a $2 off coupon that doubled to $4. I paid 99 cents. Strawberries were 3 for $5. Moveless butter was $2.99. Cream cheese was 99 cents. These chicken wings were on sale for $5.99. Picked up some instant grits for $2. We picked up these hard-boiled eggs. They were $1.67 or 3 for $5. Thought my mom would like them. The only reason I bought them is because when I have tried to do boiled eggs, they do not peel correctly. I don't have an Instant Pot, and evidently what I'm doing is not working because my eggs don't peel right. So I just got her a couple of these. She can have one for lunch or one for a snack. Picked us up 30 count of eggs at $2.69. The next thing I picked up were Lily's chocolate chips. These were $5.99. They were on sale this week. Whole Earth, this is sweetener, stevia leaf and monk fruit sweetener. This was 2 for $5. I had a $2 off coupon that normally would have doubled to $4, but my store does not give overages, so this actually the coupon took off $2.50, so these were free. The next thing I picked up was this Java House cold brew. So what you do is you take this coffee pod and you can pour it over ice, or you can put it in your coffee machine. They were $4.99, buy one get one free. And I had a coupon, well, they were $4.99, but I had a buy one get one free coupon. So I got 2 of them for $4.99 or $2.50 a piece. But the girl who was doing my ringing up, instead of her going back up to look up the thing, I think she took off more than the coupon. So I think I ended up getting these for about $1 a piece. They were really, really cheap. I can't even remember. This is the Keurigs. These were the Seattle's Best. They were $7.99, buy one get one free, so $4 a piece. I had a $1 off of one that doubled to $2, so I paid $2 for this box. And then this box was $8. Well, it was $7.99, buy one get one free, and I had $2.25 off of 2. So this ended up being about $5.75 for 2 of them. So about $3 a piece. Whenever it's over $2, it doesn't double. So anything $2 or less will double, but still they're $8 by themselves. So if I can get them for, you know, $2 and some change, $3, that's a deal for me. So I picked up 3 of those because I had 2 coupons. This is Starbucks. This is instant coffee. This I think was, no, this was $4. It was like $7.99 buy one get one free. So $4. I had a $1.50 off coupon that doubled to $3. So this was $1. These water flavors were $1 a piece. These were 69 cents. So I got 3 of those. And then the seltzer waters were $2.79. So at Harris Teeter, my bill was $76.71. I had $27.23 in manufacturer's coupons, $8 in doubles, $48.30 in Vic savings, for a total of $83.53 total savings, or 53% in my savings on this trip. I used 8 of my 20 max for the day. So if I had more coupons, I technically could go back and use the rest of those 12 coupons. So on this order, I have 109 fuel points and I have 214 fuel points for the month. So that was Harris Teeter. Then I went over to Aldi because I knew I needed to pick up a few things at Aldi. So the zucchini was $1.59. These peppers were a little bit more expensive than I planned to pay. They were $3.29. I actually should have just gotten 2 bags from Harris Teeter, but that's okay. $3.29 for the colored peppers. We're going to cut these up and use them. Radishes were 79 cents. We like to do radishes with bacon. The mini cucumbers were $2.29. Broccoli florets were 95 cents. Those are the steam bags. Spinach is $1.39. These oranges were $1.99. Blueberries were $1.19. And the spaghetti squash was $1. It was 99 cents a pound. Then I picked up a donut pan because my friend, the lovely and wonderful Tangi from Freedom Homestead, sent me a keto donut recipe. And believe you me, before the end of the day is over, we will be having some keto donuts. And then I picked up this dessert bar pan because I saw Catherine Michelle do a keto cheesecake bar. So instead of just making one and cutting them into squares, I'll just make them in this little pan. And they were $4.99 each. So over at Aldi, I spent $31.17. So this is the sum total of my grocery haul. We will be using all of these things for our June 1st freezer challenge. Now we're doing a freezer challenge because my pantry, I don't have a lot of things in my pantry. I honestly have, these are all the canned things I have, and most of this is just condiment stuff. So I don't have a lot of things in my pantry at all. I will be though going through and doing a whole pantry update and refresh because my pantry is looking just a little bit raggedy right now, but I'll be doing a refresh for that over the summer. So we're just getting the things that we need to stock up and fill in so that when we get ready to do our freezer challenge, we will be squared away. I am going to add on the end of this video a stock up haul that I did yesterday. So it will come at the end of this video. And let me share with you our weekly meal plan. Alrighty friends, so here is our weekly meal plan that we're going to be using. You guys, I'm getting close to the end of my Carrie L meal planner. I have June, July, and August. I have used this and loved it. I'm thinking about ordering a new one, but I think I'm going to order the compact size, the smaller one, just because I get secret confessions of a person who loves to grocery shop and meal plan, so I can put it in my purse and carry it with me. That's why I'm thinking about getting a small one. Y'all brave my strength in the Lord. But anywho, this is our meal plan going into the month of June. So we have, as usual, I write down all of the activities we have. Jackson had some homework and he still has some that I have to help with. So we are not doing Taekwondo today. So we're doing the creamy broccoli and ground beef casserole from the Southern Keto Cookbook with spaghetti squash. Tomorrow night is Thursday night. We're going to do the loaded zucchini fries and ranch. And we're getting that from the Keto Comfort Foods book. We do have Taekwondo tomorrow, but just I'm going to do one. We'll let Jackson do one class, his black belt class. Friday night, we're going to do the keto pancakes with some sausage. And I'm going to use the recipe I saw Nicole Burgess do for her fluffy pancakes. Saturday, we have a tournament. And I also have a singing engagement in the evening. So I'm just going to let the kids do keto pizza. On Monday, on Sunday, I have a meeting in the evening, so we're going to do just like the real thing lasagna from the Craveable Keto Cookbook, but we're going to do it for lunch. And then Monday, we're going to do the sweet and sticky chicken. And then Tuesday, we have Taekwondo prayer, and I have to sing. So we're going to do a taco soup in the crock pot. So this is our menu plan for this week. That was our Super Doubles grocery haul. I'm going to add in, I was going to make it a separate video, but I'm going to add it in as a bonus video of a stock up haul that we did at the end of this video. So just stay tuned for that. Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So this is not our complete grocery haul, but this is a partial haul. This is also a fill-in and a stock up on some keto staples and essentials for our family that I was able to get. I got a little bit of extra money, and so because we're going into a freezer challenge in June, I'm trying to really stock up on some keto essentials that I don't normally buy. So I went over to Walmart and I picked up 6 of the ranch packets. I actually was just getting 5 and 6 of them jumped in my cart, so I just kept it. So 50 cents each. Then these Max pork rinds, which is the kids and I really do like these, are $2.98. I'm sorry. The La Banderita carb countered low carb tortillas. These are $3.18 at Walmart, at the one I went to today. Then this moon cheese, we cannot buy moon cheese at our Costco or Sam's anymore. So I actually found this in the Italian herb. It was in the salad section. And I think these were like $3 and some, or $4, I don't remember. The Luana coconut oil, I got 2. I like to use this on my body in the summertime. And my mom really needs some of this. This was $9.96. We picked up paper towels, $1.93. Picked up a thing of super fine almond flour for $10.99, and then ground flax seed, which we use to make the keto cornbread, and that was $3.20 some for 2 pounds. Picked up a thing of strawberries, 2 pounds of strawberries. Pecans. Picked up the real bacon pieces. I was looking for the big bag and they were totally out. This was $1.33. This was $4.27, and then broccoli and cauliflower were 98 cents each. So at Walmart, I spent $59.77. So that was that. Then I went over to Food Line, still looking for meat deals, and I found grass-fed beef again, $3.29. So I picked up 3 of those, and then I found this is pork, ground pork, and this was $2.62, and I picked up 3 of those. Then they had some Halo Top, and we love Halo Top at our house. It was buy 2 get 1 free, and I had a coupon, so I bought 3 s'mores, 1 red velvet, oatmeal cookie, cookies and cream, and mint chocolate chip, and I had a $2 off of 5, so I just got 6 because it was buy 2 get 3 free. And then on the meat and the Halo Top was $30.32. So I got 6 packages of meat. Again, I'm going to theme out my June. So Tuesday might be tacos, so I would have enough meat for tacos. And then Thursday might be beef again, so I'd have, or it might be pork or whatever. So I have enough stuff for that. So anywho, just wanted to share those quick little grocery hauls with you. Again, that's not my normal of the week grocery haul. That was just what I was getting as a stock up. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we will see you at the next keto stock up. Bye now.